to him. I console him and bake him
I console
chocolate.
him.
But
Yeah, she does.
and I've only been married for 29 years. I didn't even know how long I've been married.
Only 29 years.
That's all. That's all. I didn't even know. We had our anniversary, and we literally had to call my best friend and say, how long have we been married? We didn't even know. How does she know? Why do we ask her? Because she had a baby the year after we were born, so she knows how old her son is. And so it's like the year after. I'm like, oh, okay, thank you. Okay, before we go on, does anyone else have a question before we go on? Anybody? Yes, sir. Ooh, the man has a question. Yay!
Now we're paying attention.
Dr. June, in regards to your first question, when you talked about the friend zone, because I have a lot of friends that may ask me advice, and you were talking about from the woman's perspective of how she was feeling. What advice would you give the male in regards to if he still wants to be friends, but he doesn't want feelings to be hurt, if the woman's feelings have grown so strong towards him?
Do you mean friends in terms of just friends or friends, romantic friends?
Friends, just friends.
Just
platonic.
Platonic relationship. Don't do it. That's what I say. Don't even be friends with that person. Why put that person in that situation where she's looking at you and thinking, ooh, there's possibly hope. You know what I'm saying? When there really probably isn't. So just move on.